We've had extraordinary generosity, really, from friends of the school throughout the year. I'm just going to name a few. Lori and Bill Benenson made an incredibly generous gift, $1 million in Dallas scholarship. We're starting to do one after the other, more commitments to make the tuition free or more readily affordable. Rick and Suzanne Kane are funding 10 student fellowships this year, another 10 next year. The development staff is hard at work together with our community really to continue to raise these. Russ Fawcett supporting infectious disease work in Africa. Dean Hansel and Jerry Factor at a time when we see violence really tearing apart our communities, making funds available to increase what students and faculty can do in this area. The list goes on. At the core, I mentioned, is everybody working together, and the number of things that faculty and staff and students have accomplished this year is so remarkable. We would spend the whole evening listing them if I listed them all, but I'll just mention a couple that are happening right now, this week, next month. So we just had another Ciclavia. Anybody who was riding around yesterday in that? Yifeng Zhu, John Freunds, Brian Cole, and Christine Badeada did a study showing that these improve the air quality in host neighborhoods. There's a museum up the hill you may not have noticed, Skirball. There's going to be next month, The Path Appears. Another one of our faculty, Neil Baer, is co-producing an exhibit there that really helps people figure out what can each of us do to transform social conditions around the world. Virginia Lee working in rural China, bringing much-needed eco-toilets to schools. Patty Gans here in the States, a new app that's designed to help people who are dealing with cancer in what it means to have patient-centered care. The list goes on and on. Our alumni, likewise, winning awards. Billy Weiss, going to be recognized for the Victor Seidel APHA Award around violence. Anna Mascarenas, I want to mention this for those of you who are second-year students, just graduated, assistant director now for environmental justice at the California Department of Toxic Substances. So great next steps straight out of school. Here, too, we could spend all evening on what our alumni, recent and longtime alumni, are doing. But here's the best part. It starts right here for all of you who are first-year students with what you can do here. So it's been so remarkable what we've seen students do while they're here. They took a leadership role in making sure we'd have water filtration systems. That has saved 22,000 bottles, plastic bottles, from going into landfill so far. The stairwell, for those of you, how many people know where the stairway is now? Okay, it used to be people didn't know. It was too hard to find. We're going to see an art exhibit going up this fall in the stairwell to make it nicer to be there. All of the effort, that's student work. The art is external work, but all the effort to highlight the stairs. Student groups have worked with local community members to provide healthy cooking classes, produced a public service announcement, video addressing access to quality health care in LA for people who are undocumented. The list is totally remarkable. We're all here to solve the health problems together. Thanks for joining us.